Welcome back, children. We are going to study about the different scales used in the map. So there are three different scales which are used in the map so that we can understand the map and the place better. So first one is the verbal scale, second one is the numerical scale, third is the linear scale or the graphical scale. The map which is shown before this, that is our Maharashtra map. Okay, so here you could see all the three scales in this map. Okay, all the three scales are used here in this map. You could see here, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 60 kilometer. This scale is called as the verbal scale. That is, on your paper the place, two different places are shown and the distance between this place is 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter tells you that distance on the land it is 60 kilometers. Now here it is shown by numerical scale. That is, numerical scale tells us the ratio, the difference between your paper and the actual land. So here 1 is to, that is 60 lakhs. So this 60 lakhs tells you it is 60 kilometers. Okay, so this type of the scales which are used. The third type of scale is the linear scale. Linear scale you will find here. Okay, here you could see the linear scale. 0 and the line is shown, that is the line, through line the scale is shown, that is 0 to 60. Okay, so from 0 to 60, that will be the 1 centimeter on this paper. If you measure this from 0 to 60, you will get 1 centimeter. So the next 2 centimeter will show you 120 kilometers from that distance. So all these three scales are shown here for your reference. Okay, so on every map these type of scales are shown. Let's study what they are actually. So all the above methods of map scale, these are shown on the map, and you have to carefully note the different ways of writing the scale. This way of writing the scale is the linear scale. Yes, you could find from 0 to the other side. Okay, 10, 20. So this type of scale which is shown here, that is called as the linear scale, and it is shown in the miles also and in kilometers also. Okay, 0 to 50, then 50 to 100. So we should know the conversion of these miles as well as the conversion of different types of distance or length. Here you will find this also scale is, could see 1 inch is equal to 1485 mi. Okay, and 1 centimeter on the map, 1 centimeter on the paper, it shows us 940 kilometers. And this scale you will find representative fraction 1 upon 94 lakhs. Correct, it is lakhs, no? 94 crore actually it is. Okay, so that is the millimeters. They have converted the kilometers into millimeters. So this way the conversion of are there, and this is the linear scale of the map. Some of the map shows us close values. Suppose if you are drawing a map from your school to your house, that map is very close. Okay, but the same if you put it on the India's map, your distance, it will appear very tiny, very small spot. Okay, from your school to Kankoli, it will be not seen also. They will just put a dot there. Okay, so that much small the map becomes of our Kankoli if it has to be shown in India. So verbal scale expresses in words and a relationship between a map distance and a ground distance. Okay, the distance on your paper and the distance actually on the place. So usually it is along the lines. 1 inch represents 16 miles. If you are showing 1 inch line on the paper, it tells you that it is 16 miles. So here it is implied that the 1 inch is inch on the map, that the 1 inch represents 16 miles. This is an example, okay. So 1 inch doesn't mean 16 miles. So 1 inch on the paper represents 16 miles on the ground. The second type of scale is the graphical scale or the bar scale. Okay, then next one is the numerical scale. Numerical scale on the map, it is a relation between your paper and the actual land. Okay, so relation, whenever we have to compare two things, we put it in the form of ratio. So here 1 is to 10. That means it can be 1 centimeter and actual land can be of 10 centimeter, or it can be 1 centimeter on your paper and actually the land, on the land it can be 10 kilometers. 1 is to 100. You are drawing a 1 centimeter line on the paper, then that 1 centimeter line is telling you actually it is 100 kilometers. So that depends how much, what is the type of your map. Either your map is of India's map, either your map is of world map, either it is of Kankoli, or either your map is from your school to your house. If it is from your school to your house, the numerical scale will become less. You could see 1 is to 10. That will be the value. If your map is of your, from your India, so what it will be shown, 1 is to 1000. Okay, so that way it will go on telling you about the distance on the paper. So on the paper we cannot show 1000 kilometers, so naturally we have to show 1 centimeter. So the linear scale, this is from your textbook. The linear scale, the scale is shown graphically on a map and the distance between any two points on the map is measured with the help of a linear or graphical scale. You will find if ruler is not available, what can be taken? A compass can be taken, or a grass also can be taken for the curves, or the thread also can be used for showing the curves on the map. Okay, so you will understand this with the help of, there are some exercise here shown in your textbook. Okay, so there are some exercise that you can conduct the exercise on page number 63. Okay, you have to solve this exercise and find the distance between these two of the photos. Okay, so please refer that exercise and you have to write down the distance, what scale you have used. Here they have given the distance between the statue and the entrance gate is 0.5 kilometer. Okay, so you have to measure the distance. Solve this activity on page number 63. Next we are going to study is the large scale and the small scale map. Large scale map, the scale is large. Okay, that means it is showing you something close, and the small scale map shows you the scale is small, scale used is small, but in that map a vast area is shown. Okay, so your, if you compare your India's map to your world map, your India's map is large scale map and the world map is small scale map. Okay, when a small area has to be shown on the ground, that small area is shown by large scale. Big scale is used. Big scale means not your ruler, plastic ruler. What scale we are talking about? 1 centimeter is equal to either 10 kilometers, either 100 kilometers. If 1 centimeter is showing you 1000 kilometers, then that scale is small scale. So map of a city, village, agriculture field, all these examples are the large scale map. It is showing you the small area, and small scale map is showing you the big area. Okay. So here you could see the small scale map of a city and the large scale map. Now you can represent when we are going on a Google map and trying to find out our location. We actually zoom in and zoom in and zoom in. When we zoom in, what we are actually doing, we are going to the large scale map. Okay, and when we are going far away from, we can see our India also there. So when we are going far away from that map, what will happen? It has to be shown on the small scale. So large scale means a small city, agricultural land can be shown. This is large scale. Scale used is big, that means for 1 centimeter small area is used. And for small scale map, in within 1 centimeter you have to show whatever is there in 1000 kilometers. So that is the difference between the large scale and the small scale map. Okay, so on the basis of road shown, there is again one more activity on page number 64. You have to do that activity on the basis of road shown between the two locations. You have to calculate. See here, on the basis of road shown between the two location, calculate the actual distance. You have to calculate the actual distance between two locations on the basis. So health center to library, lake to auditorium, office to lake, auditorium to office, health center to auditorium. Here you have to find out. Okay, so solve these two activities.